What's up, YouTubers? Microsoft patent details foldable smartphone with 3 screens. So let's check it out. Since last year, rumors about the foldable Surface phone from the Microsoft has been doing the round. At first, reporter revealed that the company was testing app for the foldable smartphone, and then earlier this year, a Microsoft engineer in China revealed a smartphone which he claimed to be elusive Surface phone. Now, a recent patent application filed by the company detailed a foldable smartphone which might feature 3 surfaces. According to the report from the Phone Arena on the matter, images in the patent detail a smartphone with 2 big displays on each side and the third screen built into the hinge. The patent highlights that the narrow display on the hinge will show the information that is coupled on other screen regions, including visual control, time, messages, notifications, and call. The patent further revealed that the information displayed on the hinge will depend on the state of the hinge, suggesting that what the user sees on the hinge will depend on whether the device is open in table mode, stand mode, and open like a book. It was nothing that the Microsoft originally filed the patent application back in November 2016, but it was first published on May 10, 2018. People familiar with the matter have revealed that the Microsoft has been working on the project Double Andromeda for quite a while. The project is similar to the Microsoft Courier concept and feature a double display setup with a hinge. The foldable smartphone has been revealed as a Surface phone, but Microsoft has revealed no official information about such a device. One thing that's consistent across the board is that the foldable smartphone will run a full version of Windows 10 as a Microsoft focus on UWP and Microsoft 365 app. Microsoft is expected to release the foldable device later this year. However, since the device is still in the early stage of development, we can't be sure if it will be released at all. But as the mobile companies are increasing their technology, I don't personally think that it will take a longer period. So stay tuned for more information like that. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please comment below if you have any query about this topic or some other related topics. The name of our channel is Techyy Guyz.